Let's play! Red! Red Play-Doh! Woohoo! Roxy, no food. Play-Doh. Ah! Red Play-Doh heart. No, mine. Oh. Wow! Big red pony! Vroom, vroom, vroom! Vroom! More, more! Oh? Yellow! Oh! Yellow Play-Doh! Yellow Play-Doh star! No food! Whoa! Ah! Wow! Ah, very big yellow pony! Yay! More, more! Green! Green Play-Doh! Green Play-Doh cube! Oh! Oh? Huh? Wow! Super big green pony! Oh, yeah! Woohoo! More, more! Blue! Huh? Oh! Huh? Blue Play-Doh! Blue Play-Doh ball! Huh? Wow! Wow, blue giant ponycorn! Huh? Let's fly! Big red pony! Very big yellow pony! Super big green pony! Blue giant ponycorn! Yay!
Tomato, look! You see it? Go get it! Try again. You see it? Go get it.
Me!
Uh-oh.
No!
Huh?
Huh? What? Huh?
Hey, where did this egg come from? Where's its mommy? Of course, that's it. It's playtime. Quickly, PandaBag. Lamp, cushion, books about hatching eggs. We're going to take care of this little egg. It could be a lizard.
Or a chicken.
Don't bark! There's a baby inside there, and it needs lots of love because soon a dinosaur will be born. The Tetegosaurus Rex. Huh?
Dinosaur? No! Piggy! No!
Watch out!
Watch out! I know. It's a tomato egg, and it wants to go back home.
Tomatoes don't hatch from eggs. Have you seen how it jumps? I think it's a kangaroo.
Tell me the dinosaur is okay. I mean, the egg.
Yes, but that was a close one. We have to make sure that it's safe. Being an egg caretaker rocks.
dinosaur is about to hatch.
No, the little tomato.
It's going to be the cutest kangaroo.
Piggy! Huh?
Huh?
Oh, it's hatching.
You can do it, little egg.
Come on already.
Aww.
Aw, what a cutie pie.
That's not a pie. It's a bird. And it's Scrivy.
Huh? Hey, it's a bird dog. What an excellent day. day. And best of all, now I know what I want to be when I grow up. A birdologist.
They're called ornithologists.
Huh? Oh. More cars. Car? Yay! Triangle. Not circle, triangle. Wow. Huh? Yellow car.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through town.
More. Square. Wow. Red car.
The horn of the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
More. Circle. Not green. Blue circle. Wow. Blue car.
The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town.
More. Boom! Green pentagon. Oh. Green, yay! Wow. Huh? Green car!
He and his friends go up and down, up and down, up and down. He and his friends go up and down, all through the town.
Yellow car! Red car! Blue car! Green car! Oh, car! Yellow! Pig! Cat! Sheep! Oh! Tiger! Zebra! Monkey! Lion!
Little cat is not a bee, but he wants to fly like one. Little cat is not a bee, but he wants to have its wings. He tries balloons, but he cannot fly, 'cause balloons don't take you high. He tries balloons, but he cannot fly, 'cause little cat is just a feline. Little cat is not a shark, but he wants to swim like one. Little cat is not a shark, but he wants to have its fun. With excitement he tries to dive, but to drown wouldn't be so nice. Little cat won't get very far, 'cause little cat is just a feline. Little cat is not a worm, but he wants to take like one. Little cat is not a worm, but he wants to have its name. With his body he won't dig deep, 'cause underground he cannot breathe. With his body he won't dig deep, 'cause little cat is just a feline. Little cat is just a cat, and he wants to jump like one. Little cat is just a cat with his paws so soft and long. With his paws he's gonna jump. There is nothing he can't climb. With his paws he is gonna jump. Little cat is a very good feline. Jump, 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 little feline. Jump, jump, jump and reach the sky. Jump, jump,
Ping?
Wow! Balloons!
L.
Yay! Oh, yay! Ow! Coin! Orange egg! Open! 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 Wow! Lion! More! More! Yay! Wow!
C.
Yay! See! Yay! Oh! Yay! No, mine. Oh! Oh! Coin! Oh! Yellow egg. Open. 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 Wow, crocodile. More, more, yay! Oh?
T.
T, yay! Oh! Coin! Oh! Take it! Oh! Oh! Pink egg! Open! 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 Oh! Turtle! More! More! Yay! Oh?
K.
Yay! K! Yay! Oh? Coin! Green egg! Open! 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 Koala!
for crocodile, T for turtle, K for koala.
When's it gonna start already? I'm dying to see the meteor shower. It's not a shower with water. It's shooting stars that fly across the sky.
Do they look for food like birds in winter?
They don't eat. They're pieces of sky that glow. And the best part is, they make wishes come true. Wishes?
It doesn't seem to make wishes come true.
That's a firefly, a little bug of light.
There!
Whoa! The first to catch a star makes a wish.
That'll be me.
No, me!
Star.
Mine! I wish to be a cartoonist. Is that a yes? All right!
Star. Mine. I wish to be an actor and shine just like you. I'm gonna be an actor. I'm gonna be an actor.
Mine! I wish to be the best drummer in the world. I took your star, but you'll get yours. There's plenty more.
Star.
Of course, that's it. Quickly, PandaBag, suits and spaceships, helmet. We'll get your star, and you'll get your wish. Ready, Captain Cuquin? Look how many stars there are.
Far away.
Surely we can go faster. How does this work? Is it this button or... Cuquin! That was so cool! And look how close the stars are! Before pressing any buttons, we have to read the Cuquin! It's much more fun making it up as you go.
Bubbles.
Let's see who can drink the most.
Star.
We're gonna catch it, and you'll get your wish. That's one small step for you, and one giant leap for the Toddler family. It's not easy walking in space. Shall we practice together? Whoa! Whee! And now let's find your star.
Star. Star. Cleo, Cleo.
Cuquin?
Was a star.
I don't think there's anything there. Come on, you can still get your wish. Being an astronaut rocks. starship? How cool! Hi there! That was awesome!
Cuquin, look! Star!
Quick, make your wish!
Play!
Is that your wish, to play? Well, free the star for it to come true.
Play?
All our wishes are gonna come true. And what's more, now I know what I want to be when I grow up. An astronaut.